Have you ever wondered what makes Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, so extraordinarily successful? Well, the answer lies not just in his investment strategies, but also in his humble beginnings, his relentless pursuit of knowledge, and his unwavering belief in value investing. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in the year 1930, young Warren was not your average child. He made his first investment at the tender age of 11 and filed his first tax return at just 14. His early fascination with numbers and finance laid the foundation for his future success. Buffett's journey to Wall Street began in the late 1940s when he enrolled at the University of Pennsylvania to study business. However, his life took a significant turn when he discovered Benjamin Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor. Inspired by Graham's philosophy of value investing, Buffett later pursued his master's at Columbia Business School, where Graham was a professor. After his graduation, Buffett worked briefly for Graham's investment firm, honing his skills and gaining valuable experience. When Graham retired, Buffett returned to Omaha and started his own investment partnership, Buffett Partnership Limited, which marked the beginning of an investing empire. His success didn't come overnight. In the mid-1960s, he took control of a struggling textile company, Berkshire Hathaway, turning it into a powerful holding company that owned stakes in some of the biggest companies in the world. Today, Berkshire Hathaway stands as a testament to Buffett's investment prowess and business acumen. However, the secret to Buffett's success isn't just his investment strategy. His disciplined approach, long-term perspective, and focus on fundamentals have been equally significant. He doesn't chase trends or make rash decisions. Instead, he invests in businesses that he understands and believes in, demonstrating the power of patient, value-based investing. Moreover, Buffett's success is also rooted in his personal values. Known for his frugality and humility, he lives a remarkably simple life despite his immense wealth. He believes in giving back to society, pledging to donate the majority of his wealth to charitable causes. So, what can we learn from Warren Buffett's success story? That the road to success is paved with patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of the fundamentals. That it's possible to maintain integrity and humility, even when you're one of the wealthiest people on the planet. And most importantly, that value investing, when done right, can yield extraordinary results. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's success is not a product of luck or extraordinary intelligence. It's the result of a life dedicated to learning, hard work, and a steadfast belief in his principles. His story serves as a vivid reminder that success is not just about making money, but also about making a difference. It's about investing not just in businesses, but in people, in values, and in the future. And that, in essence, is the true secret to Warren Buffett's extraordinary success.